Motherson Sumi has announced the completion of the acquisition of the Finnish auto component giant PKC Group for 571 million euros. Vivek Chaand Sehgal, the chairman of the Motherson Sumi Group, joins us now. Mr. Sehgal, good morning, and once again, congratulations on this completion of the acquisition. The market is now talking about another big acquisition from you, the possibility of you making a bid, a $600 million bid for Bosch's, one of Bosch's arms in the starter motors division. Is that correct, sir?
Well, I think we don't comment on things which are not fully done or in any way. So, we really would want to talk more about PKC. Our response is there to that particular news item, so we have no issues on that. Whenever it will happen, we'll come back to you and tell you that it's happening or something like that. But we don't comment on speculation.
Okay, Mr. Sehgal, good morning. You have a track record of turning around acquired companies. How will the new acquisition of PKC add to the parent company? Will it be EPS accretive from the first year itself?
Absolutely, you're right. I think, PKC is an existing profit-making company, and we feel that there is a huge amount of synergy between Motherson wiring harness business and PKC's wiring harness business. It opens up huge market for us. It allows us to cross-sell our other products like cockpits and dashboards and all these particular things to all these new customers. So we are very excited by it. In the wiring harness, Motherson, it's like our backyard. That's where we've been born, brought up, and that's our specialty area. So we think that there is going to be a huge amount of value created by both of us coming together. We have a lot to learn from them. They have a lot to learn from us. So I think together we will make it a brilliant company. They're also in those markets where we are not so present or we are not so powerful over there. So I think that allows us not to destroy value, and hence I think it will be very, very accretive for all the investors in Motherson.
You are already sitting on a very high base as far as revenue growth is concerned, but there are still analysts who expect about a 25% EPS compounded growth over the next 3 years. Is that a possibility?
Well, if they say it, definitely we have to try and make sure that we come better than their expectations.
Okay, can the top line grow at 15% plus CAGR over a 4-year period, over FY 16 to 19?
Well, I think basically our 5-year plan is very clear. Motherson Sumi Systems is going to be an $18 billion company by 2020 at 40% growth. So our focus is always top line matched with the bottom line with cash in the bank. So we are very clear that we are open to all acquisitions, growth avenues, either doing it by ourselves or through joint ventures or through acquisitions. So we are there to support our customer. If our customer tells us to do anything, we don't hesitate at all. We don't hesitate at all.
Okay, Mr. Sehgal, thanks a lot for your time today. We'll take a